Hello friend, today we are going to download and install Mozilla Firefox in Windows 11 machine. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and search Mozilla Firefox download, and after that hit enter. You can see the first link, download Firefox for desktop, and you can see the download option here. Just click here. You can see it will start downloading and it will successfully install in our machine. And after that just click show in folder, and after that just click on show in folder and just double click on it. You can see it allow permission. Just click on yes, and after that it will start installing in our machine. So this is how you can download and install Firefox in your Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.